Welcome all of you guys. This is the lesson number 40 for grade 3 mathematics, and today we are going to start new topic. Its name is question time. Our new topic name is question time, and it is on page number 46 of your book. So please open your book page number 46. Please open your book page number 46. And today we will complete our work in the book, so don't need to take out your notebook, okay? We will learn something here, but you don't need to write it. You just have to learn the concept, and then I will ask you questions and you have to reply me. So today we are going to learn the question time, topic question time, and here we will learn the effect of multiplying by 10 and by dividing by 10. The concept in this topic is to learn multiplication of 10 and division of 10. So guys, I tell you one thing. First, open your books, page number 46, then I'll explain. Did you open your books, guys?
Yes, sir, but don't mute us.
Why?
Don't mute us and we will understand very well. Can you try? Stop talking.
Okay, I give you 2 minutes. If you are silent, then I'm not going to mute. I'll check.
Okay, sir.
Your 2 minutes starts now. Everyone has to be silent. If you want me to open your mic, everyone has to be silent.
Okay, sir.
Even don't need a background noise.
Okay, sir.
Listen. Listen, too many background noises.
No. You'll see now. Wait. Yes, now.
Okay. All right, guys. The topic question time. In the topic question time, we have to learn the effect of multiplication by 10. I give you here the example. Let's suppose, for example, if I multiply.
Did we write this example in the notebook?
Don't need to write anywhere, okay? Just look here. If I say 47 multiplied by 10 equals to what?
No, we can't.
Right. I have
Sir,
to.
I finished this with my father.
Okay. Guys, I have to mute all of you.
No.
I have.
The last time.
Okay, this is the last time. This is the last time because I have to make you, I have to explain you. Once I explain, then I will try to open, okay? I'm explaining and I'm hearing too much background noise. Guys, when you're multiplying any number by 10, so just write the same number in the answer like this, 47, and add 10 in it. Because in 10 there is 10, add 10 on the right side of that number. Again, I repeat, whenever you are multiplying any number by 10, what you have to do, you will multiply that, you will write the same number after it is equal to, and you will add 10 on the right side, like it is 470. Same, if I ask you 37 multiplied by 10, you will write 37, and because 37 is the number, so you will write first that number and you will add 0 on the right side. Let's suppose if I multiply 87 by 10, so you will write 87 first and then you will add 10 on the right side. In that way you have to do. Let's suppose I multiply 47 by 10. So because I'm multiplying 47, so I will write 47 first, and as I'm multiplying by 10, so I will add 10 first on the right side. One more example, if I'm multiplying 55 by 10, so I will write 55 and I will add 10 on the right side, like 550. In that way we have to solve. So it's very easy to multiply any number by 10, even if it is a bigger. If I multiply 235 by 10, no problem. I will write this 235 and I will add 10 on the right side. If I multiply 340 by 10, so I will write the first same number. What is the number? This is 340. So I will write 340 first and I will add 0 on the right side. In that way we have to solve. In that way we can answer it very easily and very quick, very fast. Multiply any number by 10, just write the same number and add 0 on the right side. Easy way. Okay. Now, 47 multiplied by 10 is equals to, guys? Yes, 47 multiplied by 10 is equals to
170. 170. 170.
Can you give us another example?
Listen, if you make a noise, I will again meet you.
Okay, what's the number 555 multiplied by 10?
Guys, I have, listen, I have, who is this? Who is this? I have muted all of you because I was explaining. If you want me not to unmute you, so you have to keep silence and you have to answer one by one. Let me ask question first. This question you have already answered. I will ask B, C, D, E. I will ask so many questions to all of you. But for that, you have to be silent. Otherwise, I will not be able to ask you and I will mute and I'll ask one by one then. So this is 47 multiplied by 10, you said 470. Now it is 45 multiplied by 10. So can you tell me 55 multiplied by 10? Don't need to shout. If you say slowly, I can also hear you. Don't need to shout. 55 multiplied by 10, yes.
550.
550.
Very good.
550.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Question 1555.
Very good. Very good. 550.
Can you write a question 5555?
Number what?
To write 5555 multiplied
Where
by
I do too much example.
The next question is, this is you answered 550. The next question, let's suppose if I ask 425 multiplied by 10. Can you tell me this the answer of this? 425 multiplied by 10.
Yes, sir. 4,250.
Abang maed si WhatsApp to susunod.
Very good. The answer, you will write the same number first, 425, and then you will add 10. Very good. And if I ask you 53 multiplied by 10, can you tell me 53 multiplied by 10? 53 multiplied by 10.
530.
530. Very good. Very good.
I have a question to tell you.
Very good. Very good. 530 is the answer, because what's the technique we learned? What any number, if you are multiplying by 10, you write the same number and you will add 10 on the right side. Any number, if you are multiplying by 10, you will write the same number and you will add 10 on the right side. Let's suppose if I ask you a question that is, let's suppose it is 960 multiplied by 10. So you will write 960 first, because 960 is the number you are multiplying by 10, and because you are multiplying by 10, so you will add 10 on the right side, so it will become 9600. So this is the example you are learning, multiplying by 10. This is multiplying by 10. Okay, now if I ask you for dividing by 10, okay, this is now dividing by 10. For dividing by 10, it is also very easy. Let's suppose I write 470 and I said to you, divide it by 10. So it is also very easy, guys. When you multiply, you add 0. When you multiply, you add 0. Okay. When you multiply, you add 0 on the right side of the number. But when you divide, you remove 0. If you are dividing any number by 10, you remove that 0. If you're dividing any number by 10, you remove that 0 and you will write this number same. You will write 4, 7, and because this in 10 there is 1 0, so this 0 will cancel this 0. The answer will be 47. Second example, if I say 550 and 550, you have to divide by 10. So 550, when you are dividing by 10, so what you will do, you will write 55 by 50, and because you are dividing by 10, so you will remove this 0 and it will become 55. Okay, I give you one more example. Let's suppose you are multiplying 330 divided by 10. Okay, so number is 330. Write this number without 0 will be your answer if you are dividing by 10. So 330 without this 0, this will be 33 because this 0 will cancel that 0. One more example, let's suppose it is 450. We are dividing it by 10. So it is 450 and it is 10. So you will write 450, but because you are dividing by 10, so you will remove this 0 and it will become 45. Okay. One more example I give you. Let's suppose you are dividing 100 by 10. This is 100 by 10. So this is 800. So you will write 800, but because you are dividing by 10, so you will remove 1 0. It will be 80. I hope it is clear to you now. Now I can ask you questions. 470 divided by 10 equals to. First, you have to tell me, do you understand, guys, how to divide by 10? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I understand.
55.
Now the question is 470. Your question is 470 divided by 10. So you have to answer. 470 divided by 10 equals to
47.
47, but sir,
47.
divided by 5.
okay. If you are
Divided by 10 equals to what?
listen,
By 10.
1 minute. If you are silent, I'm going to ask you right now another question.
No, 55 divided by 10 equals to what?
47.
Ahmad Jibrail, you are asking 55 divided by 10. It will be 5.5, but this is not included in your course. So you will learn it later, okay? 55 equal divided by 10 equals to 5.5. In that case, we move the point from right side to left side. Okay, 470 divided by 10 equals to 47. The next question is, let's suppose it is 550 and this is divided by 10. That will become what? 550 divided by 10 equals to, guys? Yes.
55.
55, sir. 55.
55, sir. 55. 55.
Very good. So the answer is 55. If I ask you 4,250 divided by 10 equals to what? Can you tell me? 4,250 divided by 10 equals to
425.
Guys, someone is saying someone did not understand. Okay, so you have to be silent. Those who did not understand, raise your hand. Ahmad Jibrail, lower your hand because you got it. Those who did not understand, raise your hand so that I can ask you. Ahmad Awal, okay. Fortnite. Hello.
Ah,
Yes.
hi.
Yes, you did not understand.
Yes, sir. I do not understand because everyone's screaming. I don't
Okay.
understand.
You did not understand what? Multiplying by 10 or dividing by 10?
Dividing by 10. No, they are dividing.
Dividing by 10? Guys, for all of you, I'm repeating. When you
No,
are
the 80, the
so,
seconds. Dividing by 10, yeah.
guys,
I
when
didn't.
listen, whenever you are dividing by 10, what you have to do, look this. This is 4250, right? When you
Yes.
divide it by 10, so in the answer, just erase this zero and write this number as same. So you will find it. Like this is 4250, right?
Yes.
I write this number because I'm dividing by 10, so I will remove this zero.
Okay.
This will be my answer. Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you tell me 500 divided by 10 equals to what?
500 divided by 10
Yes.
equals
Write 500 and erase one zero.
equals 250.
Okay. Now, can you tell me 630 divided by 10 equals to what?
63.
Very good. Write 630 and remove one zero. Now, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let us know it now.
Anyone else who did not understand? Who did not understand? Dragon Ball Super. Hamza Walid. Hamza Walid.
Yes, sir.
Do you not understand? Did you not understand?
Yes.
What you did not understand? Divide or multiply?
Divide.
I explained divide to uh, Ahmad, I think. So now you know or you don't know even? Can you tell me if I divide 550, sorry, if I divide 330 by 10, can you tell me the answer?
33.
Do you understand? Why you're saying you don't understand? 550 440 divided by 10 equals to? Yes.
44.
I told you guys who did not understand, you have to raise the hand. You know very well. Okay, I hope you all are clear now. So this was dividing by 10, guys. Okay, so this is multiplying by 10 and this is dividing by 10. Now I will teach you multiplying by 100. Multiplying by 100. Okay, so it is also very easy, guys. When you're multiplying any number by 100, what you have to do? You have to write the number like this. Let's suppose I multiply 12 by 100. So you will write the same number, you will write the number in the answer, and you will add 20 in the on the right side. The question is, sir, why two zeros? Look, in the 10, how many zeros are there? In 10, only one zero, so you add one zero. In 100, how many zeros are there? So there are two zeros. That's why you will add two zeros on the right side. It is also very easy to multiply any number by 100. Let's suppose I give you example. 50 multiplied by 100 equals to, you will write 50, and because there are two zeros in the 100, first you will write the same number and then you will add these two zeros. It will become 5000. If I ask you to write 33 by 100, so you will write 33 first, and because there are two zeros in the 100, so you will add two zeros on the right side. In that way you have to solve it. I hope I am clear to you guys. Yes, do you understand, guys? Multiplying by 100?
Yes, sir.
The question is 25 multiplied by 100 equals to what? 25 multiplied by 100 equals to what? Yes.
25,000. 25,000. 25,000.
Well, some of you are answering 25,000. Okay. You mean 25,000. This is 25,000. How 25,000? There are two zeros. You are multiplying it by 100. So you have to add two zeros. So it is 2,500 or 2,500. It is not 25,000. But some of you, mostly you students said correct. They said 2,500 or 2,500. One more question. 33. This is 7 multiplied by 100. Yes, 7 multiplied by 100 equals to what? Yes,
700, sir. 700.
700.
very good.
700, sir.
The answer is 700. Very good. Okay, now you have also learned multiplying by 10, dividing by 10, and multiplying by 100. So it will be also easy for you to multiply dividing by 10. Dividing by, sorry, 100. This is now dividing by 100. So guys, dividing by 100 means, let's suppose you have 1200 and you have to divide it by 100. So guys, it is also very easy. Write 1200 first and see how many zeros are there. 2 in 100. Remove 2 zeros. It will become 12. Again, I repeat. How you have to divide by 100? Check how many zeros are there in 1200. 2. And how many zeros are there in 100? 2. Write the 1200 first. And because there are 2 zeros in 100, so remove 2 zeros. Look here, come to divide by 10. In 470 divided by 10, you write 470 first and you remove 1 0. Why 1 0? Because in 10 there was 1 0. So, but in 1200, there are 2 zeros in 1200 and there are 2 zeros in 100 too. So, because there are 2 zeros in 100, so you remove these 2 zeros. One more example, let's suppose this is 3600, let's suppose, and you divide it by 100. 3600 divided by 100, so you will write 3600 first, but because in 100 there are 2 zeros, so remove 2 zeros, it will be 36. 4400 divided by 100 equals to, you write 4400, but remove these 2 zeros, as there are 2 zeros in 100, the answer will be 44. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Yes, guys.
I understand.
Understand?
Guys, these things are very important for you. You should know these things. That's why I'm explaining these all things. Then inshallah, we will complete the exercise of question time. So the next question I ask you, that is 2500 divided by 100 equals to what? Yes, 2500 divided by 100 equals to what? Yes, guys.
25.
Very good. The answer is 25. Okay. If I ask you 4800
Yes.
divide by 100.
Sir, what's this?
48, 48.
Yes, guys.
48. 48.
Very good, guys. So now you know you can multiply any number by 10. You can divide any number by 10. You can multiply any number by 10, and also you can divide any number by 10. So this is very good. Now come to the exercise. Question time. Answer these questions. Show how you reach your answers. Okay. So you have to answer in the book. Okay. Don't need to go for a notebook in this topic. You will answer this in the book. Pencil comes in packs of 10. That's mean in one pack there are 10 pencils. The shop has 38 packs. How many pencils do they have? So first you have to check, is it a multiplication question or is it a division question? Because pencil comes in a pack of 10, that's mean in one pack there are 10 pencils. And the shop has 38 packs. Such packs, shop has 38. How many pencils do they have? So they are going to have more pencils or less pencils. Okay. So obviously the answer is more. So you have to multiply. You have to multiply. So pencil comes in packs of 10. So you will write 10. And the shop has how many packs? 38. Shop has 38 packs. So you will multiply 10 by 38. So 10 might multiply by 38 equals to, yes guys.
Yes. 380.
This is very good. Who has question? Who is shouting? I have question. I'm opening chat. You can ask me there.
Sir, I don't know who's. Sir, sir, me a Fortnite, and I'll put my name is Abdulaziz. I'll see who's scream. I go on the.
Okay. Okay, Abdulaziz,
I-
change your name. Yes, guys. Who has questions? I open chat. Kareem Muhammad. Okay, wait. Yes, Kareem Muhammad.
Sir,
Yes.
if we want to divide and the last number is not 0, we will remove the we will remove if it's say now 475 divide 10.
Okay.
We will remove 5, yes?
No, you will not remove 5. This is the second time. This is the same question asked by Ahmad Jibrail also. You asked 475 divided by 100, right?
Yeah.
You mean this.
Divide by 100 or 10.
For some of the guys I'm explaining, but this is beyond your course, okay? This is beyond your course. What you will
Means
do,
it's not for us now.
yes, this is not for you now, but I will tell you. What you will do, you will write 475, and because there are 2 zeros, so you will move the point from right hand side to left hand side. When you move one side, this is here, and 2 times here, it will become 4.75. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
This point formula you can also use here. 470.
If it's 10, sir, we will it's 400.
Look, this is, look guys, look here. This is 400 divided by 100. You can also like this here. Let's suppose it is 4,000. Okay. What you will do here? You write 4,000.
Then remove 200.
Okay.
2 zeros.
The point is here. This is 4,000.0. Okay. So you will move point from 2 sides because there are 2 zeros, 1 and 2, and you will write point here. So it will become 40. And if you follow the same technique which I taught you, write 4,000 and remove 2 zeros, as there are 2 zeros in 100. It will also become 40. Okay. But this is for now. You don't need to go for point right now. This is beyond your course now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right, guys. So 38 multiplied by 380. 38 multiplied by 10 equals to 380 pencils. So how many pencils do they have? They have 380 pencils altogether. Okay. They have 380 pencils altogether. Or 10 children can sit at a table. How many tables are needed for 170 to sit? So guys, there is one table. In one table, only 10 children can sit. Now they are asking how many tables are needed for 170 children. So obviously for 170 children, you need less tables, because in one table you can accommodate 10 children and there are 170 children. So you are not going to multiply here. You are going to divide here. This is 170 divided by 10. Why? Because total children you have 170, and on one table you can 10 children can sit. So 170 divided by 10 equals to, yes guys, 170 divided by 10 equals to,
Sir, I think Fahd was the one that screamed at me.
170 divided by 10 is equals to,
17, sir, 17. 17.
the answer is 17. So you will write 17 because there are total 170 children and on one table 10 children can sit. So on 10 tables, on 17 tables, 170 children can sit. This is the answer. So today we will complete only 2 questions, 1 and 2. Rest of the questions we will complete in the next class. If you did not understand anything, you can ask me right now. If you did not understand anything, you can ask me right now. Yes.
Sir, I understand everything. So I don't understand.
I am opening the chat, but don't need to send useless message on the chat box, okay? If you have any question, you can ask in the chat and I will reply here. Yes, guys. Any questions?
Sir, can I leave?
Yes, if you want to go, you can go. Only 1 minute is left. Hamza Suleiman. Any questions, guys? Only 1 minute, Ahmed Jibrail. Can't you wait 1 minute? All right, guys. So this is the end of the today's class.